Good morning, students. In the last period, problem depend on equivalence relation. Today, I want to discuss with another one important article in the list of that is the 5 marks types of function. First one is one function or that is injective. Second one is onto function or that is surjective. Then the last one is that is bijective function. Definition for one function, onto function, and that is bijective, that is a function. So that is one function definition. So simply write that is one function definition. One function, a function f mapping capital letter x tends to, that is y is said to be one function, a function f mapping capital letter x tends to y is said to be one function if different element of x have the different images in y. For every, so that is x1 x2 belongs to, for every x1 that is x2 belongs to capital letter that is x2, therefore write that is f of that is x1 is equal to write that is f of that is x2. So this implies write that is x1 is equal to that is x2, x1 is equal to x2 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the function is that is 1. So a function f mapping x tends to y is said to be one function. It means that different element of x have the different images in that is y. For every x1 x2 belongs to capital letter x, therefore f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that is x1 is equal to x2 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the function is said to be that is one function. Then come to the definition for right that is onto. So that is onto function. So on the same line, a function right that is f mapping x tends to y is said to be onto function if every element of x have the, so that is different element of that is x have the different images in that is y. Different element of x have the, so same image of that is element of that is x for every. It means that for so that is y belongs to, for y belongs to that is y, then there exists an element to x belongs to that is a capital letter x. So such that right that is f of x is equal to that is y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ on the function means that is for every, so that is y belongs to capital letter y. F of that is x is f of for then there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y. In x the value ತೆಗೆದ ಅದು belongs to that is n and domain and range ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು n ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ y ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the function is said to be that is onto function, or that is another one definition, or a range of that is f is equal to right that is a range of that is a function f is equal to, so that is y, or that is a codomain y, or that is a codomain ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the function is that is onto. A function f mapping x tends to y is said to be, so that is onto function, or that is a surjective. So every element of that is y is the image of some element of x under the function that is f. So for y belongs to that is a capital letter y, then there exists an element x belongs to x, such that f of x is equal to y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ, x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ belongs to that is codomain n and n ಅಥವಾ x ಮತ್ತು y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the function is said to be that is on the function or that is the range of f is equal to y codomain ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then the function is said to be and so that is on the function. Then come to the last one is that is bisective. Right, that is bisective function. A function that is f mapping extends to right that is y is said to be and bisective function andre if f is both 1 1 and onto. So if f is right that is both andre 1 1 and that is onto ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 1 1 ಮತ್ತು onto ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ bisective function. So this is about the simply definition of that is 1 1 function, onto function and that is bisective function. So 1 1 means a function f mapping extends to y is said to be and 1 1 function or that is injective function. So that is a different element of x have the different images in y. So for every x1 comma x2 belongs to capital letter x, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is equal to x2 ಬರ್ತೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಾನೆ. So that is 1 1 function. So that is on the function. A function f mapping extends to y is said to be on the function or that is a surjective function for every y belongs to y. Then there exists an element x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to that is y, or in other words so that is range of f is equal to y codomain ಬರ್ತೈತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the function is said to be right that is 1 1 function. So on the function. So last one is bisective function. A function f mapping extends to y is said to be and bisective function it means that f is both 1 1 and onto ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 1 1 ಮತ್ತು onto ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನದ so that is bisective functions ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then come to the example number 1. Check the injective and surjective of the function. Function is defined f mapping intention given by f of x is equal to x square. Function ಏನದ n and n ಡೊಮಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು n ಅದ ಕೋಡೊಮಿನ್ n ಅದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ f of x is equal to function ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ x square. ಇದು 1 1 ಮತ್ತು onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ right that is the first one example. Check ಮಾಡಿ surjective, injective and surjective of the function. So that is starting in ಮಾಡಿ 1 1 function. Very simple. 1 1 function means letter that is x1 comma that is x2 belongs to capital letter that is capital letter that is n. n ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು capital letter that is n ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ n. ಈ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ n ಅಂತ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಡೊಮೇನ್ and that is a codomain. Okay, so function definition ಏನದ f of that is x1 is equal to that is f of that is x2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. So function ಯಾವುದು f of x means that is x square. On the same line f of x1 means that is x1 square is equal to f of x2 means that is x2 square. Index same ada reject ಮಾಡಿ. So this implies totally right that is x1 is equal to that is x2. x1 is equal to x2 means that is f is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ right that is 1 1. So f is that is 1 1 function. So then come to the second part right that is onto function. Very simple right that is onto verify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ f of x is equal to that is y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ right, that is x square is equal to that is y ಅದ. Therefore x is equal to right, that is the square root of that is y. So by taking y is equal to that is 2 ಅಂತ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ, so x the value f x is equal to that is the square root of that is 2. Square root of 2 does not belonging to that is a natural number n. Therefore the function right, that is f is not ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is onto. So therefore last ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, therefore that is a function f is that is 1 1 function, ಇದು 1 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ but not, so that is but not that is onto 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then come to the second one on the same line. Right, that is a solution for the second problem. So starting in ಮಾಡಿ right, that is 1 1 function, let right, that is x1 and that is x2 belongs to capital letter X, means here that is a set of z is given. Okay, so by using the definition right, that is f of x1 is equal to f of that is x2. So this implies f of x1, f of x is equal to x raised to that is 3 quadrant, x1 raised to that is 3 is equal to x2 raised to that is 3. So this implies right, that is x1 is equal to that is x2. x1 is equal to x2 means therefore the function f is right, that is 1 1. ಈ function 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then come to the right, that is the second part, the first part right, that is onto function. Onto means right, f of x is equal to suppose that is y. In f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, x raised to that is 3 right, that is x raised to 3 is equal to that is y. Therefore x is equal to raising both sides by power that is 1 by 3 right, x is equal to y raised to right, that is 1 divided by that is 3 by taking y is equal to right, that is 2. Therefore x is equal to right, that is 2 raised to 1 by 3. So this does not belonging to that is a set of integer that is a set. Okay, so does not belong to set of integer z means therefore that is f is right, that is not f is not right, that is onto. Therefore the function right, that is f is 1 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that is 1 1 but not 1 1 but not right, that is onto. 1 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ onto ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then come to the next one, third one example. Show that the function f mapping natural number n to n given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 1 but not that is onto 1 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ onto ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Right, that is a solution for the, so that is the third example on the same line. So starting in ಮಾಡಿ right, that is 1 1 function ಅನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ, let right, that is x1 x2 belongs to that is a natural number that is n. Therefore by definition f of x1 is equal to right, that is f of that is x2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ, f of x is equal to that is 2x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ on the same line right, that is 2x1 is equal to right, that is 2 that is x2. Here 2 is get cancelled, therefore that is x1 is equal to that is x2. So this implies therefore the function right, that is f is another right, that is 1 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then come to the second one is right, that is onto ಅನ್ನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ right, that is f of x is equal to that is y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಲಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಡೊಮಿನ್ ಎನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ right? F of x is nothing but that is 2x is equal to y. Therefore x is equal to y divided by that is 2. So this does not belonging to natural number, or that is x is equal to, by taking y is equal to 1 anta tondre 1 divided by that is 2 does not belonging to natural number and therefore the function that is f is not on 2. Therefore last again by right that is f is right that is 1 after that but not, so 1 but not enagutte right that is on to functions. Okay, so in this period types of the function one function adukka injective andana, so on to function means that is a surjective. So bijective function andre yav function both one and on agutta avella functions ಏನು ಇರ್ತವೆ, so bijective functions. So then problem 3 examples. So you ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು problem in the list of that is 5 marks. Okay, so ಮೊದಲನೇದೇನದ f of x is equal to x square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿನಿ. ಆನ್ ಟು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ f of x is equal to y ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಲಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಸೊ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, otherwise function is that is not that is on to. So x the value belongs to that is domain. ಇಲ್ಲಿ domain ಮತ್ತು codomain ಏನದಾವ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವ. On the same line similarly second one example, so x1 cube is equal to x2 and that is cube ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ f is 1 on the same line ಇಲ್ಲಿ x the value ಬರ್ತದೆ, it does not belongs to set of integer that is z. Therefore f is not that is on to. In the last one again one problem on the natural number melada, so x1 is equal to f is 1 agutte. So adu does not belong, x to the value does not belongs to the natural number and therefore f is not on to. So tomorrow onwards I want to start with another 3 example in the list of that is 5 marks. ಇವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು ಇನ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. 1 9 ಆಲ್.